Now, let's say we want to edit the header or the footer of the site. The thing that's different about the header or the footer is that these are global sections or containers, which means that when you edit it, it will reflect across the entire site. So when you're editing a page, like we've been doing so far, you'll see that at the top you have this whole edit header section. If you click on it, it'll ask you to save the changes you've made to the page. In case you haven't, let's just go ahead and discard them. And now it will basically just load the header itself, separate from the rest of the page. So now you can edit all the elements inside the header. And everything is basically exactly the same as when editing the page itself. You'll see you have sections or containers with various elements inside of them, which you can edit just like we did before. Now, if we want to go back to editing the page, we just click on Edit Page, either this button here or just the page itself. Again, it'll ask us to save or discard the changes. And now we're back to editing the page. And it is the exact same thing with the footer. You just click on it. One second. Okay. And it has now loaded the footer. And again, you can go ahead and edit it the same way we edited the page and the header. Same exact thing. We can add new sections or containers to it. With new elements, just like before. There you go. And then to go back to the page, we just click on Edit Page. We discard the changes or save them. And we're back to editing the page. And that's it for editing the header and the footer.